Hey guys, it's Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. In this video, I want to talk to you about different platforms to promote your business. You might even not realize that you could be on a completely wrong platform. I discovered recently that sending newsletters no longer worked for me, and only after I switched platform, my orders started rolling in. So in this video, I will show you how to review your current marketing strategy, how to find a better platform, and which platform could work for you best. Welcome to Rock Paper Copy, best place for Shopify store owners to learn about SEO, getting traffic, and sales. Okay, so for months I've been sending newsletters, sometimes once a week, sometimes much more often, sometimes once a day, so up to 5 times per week. And I've been sending newsletters for years. Even before I started Rock Paper Copy, I've been sending newsletters. With my previous businesses, with my first business, I've been sending regular newsletters, and have been working pretty well, I would say up to 2016, 2017. I've been relying on repeat business, I've been relying on offers that I've been sending to my subscribers much more than on any other marketing effort. So I haven't been really using social media that much, I haven't been using ads like whatsoever, I've never been using ads for my business, and I've experimented with different forms of the newsletters, image only or text only, different frequency as I mentioned, different titles, longer, personalized emails and so on. But I would say 2016, 2017, this channel completely dried up for me, didn't really bring any revenue for me, which was quite frustrating obviously. I even switched from MailChimp to Gmail, which gives you much more personalized way how your customers receive emails. So, because with MailChimp I noticed some of the emails were landing in a junk folder, which was pretty frustrating. And after I switched to Gmail, obviously it helped me get more authentic feel to my emails. Those emails managed to land in the inbox, which is perfect. However, I was still not happy with the response I was getting. That's when I decided to switch platforms and decided to use Instagram instead. So with Instagram, I've been active on Instagram. I wouldn't say active, but I had an account on Instagram since maybe 2014, 2015, so for quite a while. I think longer than that, because I still had Instagram in 2013 when I was still running my second business. So yeah, so quite a while, 7 years. But only, I would say about 2 or 3 months ago, I started using it more actively for business, which means posting more frequently, at least 3 times per week, posting to stories, so creating stories at least 3 times per day, at least 3 stories per day. So I've got this pink ring around my profile photo and it indicates that I'm active on Instagram, and obviously my profile is active, my profile is being updated. Obviously I use the right strategy, so I used engaging captions, I use relevant hashtags and so on. So obviously I follow all of these relevant strategies, relevant tips. Before I started using Instagram really for my business, I could never understand how it is going to actually send traffic to the website if the only place to put your link is in your bio. You cannot really include the links in your post, you cannot include the links in your stories unless you've got 10,000 subscribers,
which I haven't got yet.
So it was a little bit for me tricky how this platform is going to be so wow as everybody claims. But once I started really looking into Instagram and started discovering its benefits, I managed to uncover how powerful and how much potential it's got, because it's not about really the traffic that clicks from your posts to your website, it's about the connection you build with your followers by DMs, by the conversation you've got on the platform, by them interacting with your content, such as interacting with your stories if you're using polls, if you're using questions and answers. So this gives more insight into your life as an entrepreneur, into what's going on behind the brand, what's going on behind the business, and people can actually see the real person, which is so much more important for sales, which is so much more important for conversion rate, because people are craving this kind of personal connection with businesses. People are really interested who's behind the brand. People are interested who's running the business. And Instagram is perfect to show how your daily life looks like, because you can put stories on how you create your morning coffee, what you're doing for lunch, where you're going, where you're sourcing your products. If you're going to some trade shows, you can create a short story. I'm at the trade show, I'm on my way to the trade show, and people really feel so much deeper connection with you, which builds your trust, which builds your authority, which is so important for the sales. And this is the real power of Instagram. It's not really the content that you put out, it's this connection that you build with your followers, and obviously with potential followers, which you can reach through the right hashtags. If you land on discovery page, this is the goal to reach. So this is the way to go with Instagram, and I found out that Instagram works so much better for me than newsletters, than email marketing, than any other platform that I've been using for years. Now it's number one platform that sends me the most traffic to my website, and obviously it sends majority of my customers in the last few months found me through Instagram, which is really great. It all begins with the conversation, it all begins with building connections. Obviously they can reach out to you through your DM, or you can reach out to them, then you can have a conversation, but it's all about building the personal connection in a way that you have with a person if you go to the department store. So it's so much different than just buying online, because buying online is so impersonal, and people are really craving a little bit insight. Who is this person behind the counter, or who is this person running the business, or who is this person selling the products or selling the services? So this is so important, and I encourage you to try to use Instagram. Focus on Instagram for at least 1 or 2 months and see what kind of difference it makes for your business. I don't mean just creating posts on Instagram and creating few stories. Really connect with your followers, send them DM, introducing yourself and telling them how you can help them, and try to find out more about them, more about what they do, more about who they are, and so on. And starting a conversation can lead to them asking you questions about your business, about what you do, and you might find out how to move it from Instagram to the email, and obviously send them your offers, send them your latest services. This is really the most powerful way to utilize Instagram for your business, and I do encourage trying it. Focus on it 100% for the next 2 months, and let me know in the comments sections below how it works for you. Did you get more traffic to your website? Did you get more traction? Did you get higher conversion? Did you get more clients? I would be interested. Does it work for your niche? Let me know what niche are you in, and let me know if Instagram worked for you. I'm in digital services niche, which is not the most common platform for my particular niche. However, it still worked for me, so you can work it for your niche if you know how to approach it, and if your potential clients are using Instagram, because this is also the most important. So I hope you found it useful. Thank you so much for your time, and also check those videos recommended for you by YouTube to watch next, and obviously subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit this notification bell to be notified every time I upload new video. I'll speak with you soon. Bye bye.